Good morning, students. Now we have finished our topic, dictionary. Today we are going to solve some problems regarding programming. Here we are going to solve the first problem, which is uh, the first problem is repeatedly asks the user to enter a team name and how many games the team has won and how many they lost. Store this information in a dictionary where the key are the team name and the values are the list of the form win, comma losses. So from this we have to make a dictionary. The dictionary has key and value. The key contains the name of the team, where the value is in the form of list, where the list contain number of wins and number of losses. How many match the team wins and how many match the team loss. So the value is in the form of the list. You have to prepare a dictionary. Also you have to find using the dictionary create above. Okay, the above dictionary created allow the user to enter a team name and print out the team's winning percentage. Now after creation of this dictionary, you allow the user to enter any team name from the dictionary. Any team name means any key from the dictionary, and you have to print the winning percentage of that team. The winning percentage means how will you calculate the percentage? The total matches the team played. The total matches team played means total win and total losses are the total matches. So you have to count the total matches, uh, add win and losses, and win divide by total matches into 100. By this way you can calculate the percentage. Wins divide by total matches. Total matches means wins plus losses. Okay, so win divided by wins plus losses into 100. This is the percentage of winning a team. So by using this formula we can calculate the percentage winning percentage of a single team, any team which a user entered. Option B, using the dictionary create a list. Now from the dictionary we have to create a list whose entries are the number of win of each team. So from the dictionary we have to create another list in which its value contain only the number of wins. Okay, so I am doing these two in a program. This is for you. So let's look the program, how we will make this possible with the help of programming. Okay, first of all we have to make a dictionary initially which is empty. We have to make a dictionary initially which is empty and the name of the dictionary is team. Now in our question it is given that you have to repeatedly ask the user to enter the team. Okay, so if repeatedly word is used in the question, then we have to do all our operation in the loop. So I am using here while loop, and initially while loop is true, so this is a type of infinite loop. Whenever I write while true, so this is a type of infinite loop, and between any operation we can skip out of the loop by using some conditions. Let's see. I am using a variable which decide whether we have to continue or we have to skip out of the loop. So here answer is a variable through which user want to enter more values, yes or no. Yes means y, either capital Y or small y, and means no, either small n or capital N. You can enter. If you press small n or capital N, you skip out of the loop, and if you press small y or capital Y, you will be in the loop. So I will check what the user has pressed. If answer means its value, this variable's value is small y, or answer is equals to capital Y. If any one of the value small or capital Y is pressed by the user, so we will continue in the loop. So first of all we have to take some values from the user. Key, enter the team name. The team name will be stored in the variable key. Then the particular team has number of win and number of losses, so we have make two variables, win and loss. Win, we also give the value from the user, and input enter the number of wins. So the number of wins the user entered will be converted into integer and it will be stored in the win, and the number of losses given by the user will be converted into integer and will be stored in the variable loss. So here are the three variables we are using. This is the key for the dictionary, and this is the win and the loss value, in which we will store in the form of list in the dictionary. How we will store these values in the dictionary? So this is the best way we have earlier used. So to add an element, add a key value pair in a dictionary, we have to write something like this: team key, the key which is with the user entered key means the team name, and the numeric value of win and the numeric value of loss will be stored in the form of the list in the dictionary. So this is the way to assign the key value pair to a dictionary. Okay, if the user has pressed, this is the way to make the dictionary. Okay, if the user has pressed small n or capital N, so here I have written break. So we are using if, elif and else part by using in the while loop. If condition is used to create the dictionary, elif is used to check whether user has pressed n or small n or capital N. If this is pressed, then we have to come out of the loop. Break will skip out of the break will skip the while loop and we will come out from the while loop. Else, if the user has pressed any other letter from the keyboard, it means it is a wrong entry, so this message is displayed, wrong entry. Okay, now after doing the operation, after doing the operations, after entering the values 1 team, 2 team, 3 team, if you want to skip, you have to press N and your dictionary will be printed, because the dictionary is team, so your dictionary will be printed. Now our first task is to calculate the percentage. So this is a comment, which will be written in a hash. This is a single line comment, so this is not a code, this is code. So we will message winning percentage of a team. How to calculate? First of all, you have to take the name of the team whose winning percentage you have to calculate. So you have to take name, input enter the team name. You have to give the name as it is, as you have entered in the dictionary. Whether it is of a small letter or capital letter, you have to use as it is. So you have to enter the team name with the help of user. The name is the key value from the dictionary. It will be as it is, as you have given in the dictionary. Okay. List 1 is a variable in which you will take the value. So list 1 is a type of list of a particular team in the form of two values, win and loss. So this list 1 consists of values from the dictionary in the form of list. So this list has index also, 0 index as well as 1 index. 0 index is the win and 1 index is the loss, because this is this will store the values of this particular dictionary in the form of list by this statement: team name, team key. The key is the team name, so it will give the value of that particular team. With the value of that particular team is in the form of list, so this will store list, and the list contains only two values. Those two values have index 0 and 1. So index 0 is win, index 1 is loss. So we will use index 0 and 1 for in our calculation. Let us look. We will calculate first of all percentage. So this list with list 1 0, list 1 0, first one is our win. So win multiply 100, win multiply 100, list 1 0 means win multiply 100 divided by bracket win plus loss. Win is index 0, loss is index 1. So list 1 0, list 1 1, win plus loss means total matches, means win divided by total matches into 100. This is the, by this way we will calculate the percentage of a particular team which a user give as an input. Okay, now we will display the percentage by the print statement. The winning percentage of a team and the name of the team is displayed. What the user has given is the value of percentage. So this is the way to display the percentage, winning percentage of a particular team with the user has given from the dictionary. Now our second question arises, using the dictionary create a list whose entries are number of win of each team. So you have to create a list from the dictionary which consists of the values of wins only, not the losses. So first of all we have to create an empty list. This is the way to create empty list. Now this is the simple for loop for key in team. Team is dictionary, so key contains one by one the key item from the team. L1 equals to team key. Team key gives the values of that particular key. Suppose first one is India, then it will give the values of win and losses values of L1. Okay, so this L1 consists of list, and you have to take only win value, not the loss value. So the win value is L1 of 0. The win value is L1 of 0. So I will append the list to dot append L1 of 0. So in our empty list only the win value is appended in our list, not the loss value. If you want to append loss value, you have to write here L1 of 1. So in our question they only want win value, so we will only append the win value. Now after traversing all the key, all the win value is appended in the list 2. Now you have to print the list 2. So print the list with number of wins, print list 2. So this is the second part, this is the first part, and this is the main question in which our dictionary is created. When we look at the output is here. Want to enter more values, I press Y. So a prompt is given, enter the team name, I have given India. Now enter the number of wins, I have given 4, enter the number of losses 1. Want to enter more value, again the loop will ask to us, I have again given Y. Y means add some more. Enter team name, I have given Pakistan, enter the number of wins 3, enter the number of losses 1. Want to enter more values, yes, I have again given Y. Enter the team name, I have given Australia, enter the number of wins 5, enter the number of losses 1. So here I have given 3 teams with their win and loss value, win, loss, win, loss, win and loss value. Now I don't want, so I have given, want to enter more values, no, I have pressed N, either capital or small. So it will display our list, India, and the value is in the form of the list 4, 1, 4 is win, 1 is loss. Pakistan 3, 1, 3 is win, 1 is loss. Australia 5, 1, 5 is win, 1 is loss. Number of the losses. So now our second part start from here, winning percentage of a team. Winning percentage of a team we have to calculate. So user have to give the name, enter the team name. User has given Pakistan. So our program will calculate the winning percentage of the team Pakistan is 75%. Now look at Pakistan. Total matches is 3, 1, 4 matches, and the number of win is 3. So 3 out of 4 means 75% of win is of Pakistan. The list with number of wins. Now we have to create our second part, the list with number of wins. Number of wins means 4 is the number of win, 3 is the number of win, and 5 is the number of win. So the list is 4, 3, 5. So these two parts we have created, we have done with the help of dictionary. You have to do the third part. Third part is using the dictionary create a list of all those teams that have winning record. Now you have to create a list which contains the name of the team only which has winning record. Winning record means those who have win any match. So you have to give the name only the name of the team, not the values of their winning. So winning record means you have to give the name of all the teams. Okay, this is the simple way. So you have to do this at your own. If you are getting any problem regarding this, you can ask me at any time. Okay, so you can do all these problems from your book, okay, at the last of the chapter dictionary. And if in any question you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, that's all for today.